Have you ever wished you could learn a new skill fast? Imagine having a new ability that boosts your career or hobbies. You're in the right place. Today, we'll explore 5 in-demand skills you can learn in just 6 weeks. Learning new skills can be daunting. But the good news is that with focused effort, you can acquire valuable skills quickly. These skills can enhance your resume, make you more marketable, and even support personal growth. Let's dive into the details of each skill. The first skill is digital marketing. In 6 weeks, you can grasp the basics of SEO, social media, and email marketing. This opens doors in the growing online business world. Next up is coding. Learning the fundamentals of coding gives you tools to build websites or apps. You can start with HTML and CSS, which are beginner-friendly languages. The third skill is graphic design. With tools like Canva or Adobe Spark, you can create social media graphics and presentations. You'll impress your friends and colleagues alike. Fourth is data analysis. Mastering software like Excel can help you interpret data effectively. This skill is invaluable in many industries. Finally, we have project management. In a short time, you can learn to manage projects, set timelines, and communicate effectively. This is a key skill for team success. Overall, these 5 skills are not only easy to learn but also highly beneficial. You can enhance your career, explore new interests, and learn something valuable in just 6 weeks. So, which skill were you excited to learn first? The journey starts with a single step. Visit our online platforms at trainingq.com today to find courses that suit you. Sign up now and take control of your learning. Don't wait, start today.